Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one that is about x to the power of 3 over 2. This one that is about x to the power of 1 over 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about number 1. So you got number 0. This one we have 3 over 2x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1, and this is about 1 over 2. Because we don't have 3 over 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by 3 over 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 gone here, and we can find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 1, so we put number 1 gone here, and we have u equals to number 2. So number 0 we change for number 1. Number 1 we change for number 2. This one we change for u. S to the power of 1 over 2, that is about this one. So number 10 with number 2 over 3, we can put 20 over 3 in here. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over u, and we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 2 gone here, number 1 gone here, and we have the final answer. And we have number 10 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.